Everyone, we will start the periodic table, ninth class chemistry. So what is periodic table? So a chart of elements prepared in such a way that elements of similar properties occur in same vertical column. So the arrangement of elements. So what happened? The elements were discovered. The scientists tried to classify the elements in a proper manner. So what is classification of elements? Arrangement of similar elements from dissimilar elements is called classification of elements. So what is the reason to classify the elements? That it helps in studying the elements in an organized manner. Another thing, it helps in defining the relationship of one element with another element. So the reason, due to the reason, the scientists tried to make a periodic table to classify the elements. So the first person Dauvergne first make a classification, make a group of three elements that is called Dauvernè's triad. So what is the principle of this? What is the rule? He arranged the elements in such a manner the atomic mass of the middle element of a triad was approximately equal to the arithmetic mean of the atomic masses of the other two elements of that triad. So one example I am telling. So arrange lithium, sodium, potassium. We make one triad like this. Okay, what happened? That is atomic weight of lithium 7, potassium 39. These are two. So middle element 23. So you calculate how? So we see the rule 7 plus 39 by 2. How much became? 46 by 2 is equal to 23. So this is the middle element sodium. So it becomes. Now come another. Calcium, strontium and barium. See, so 40 plus 137 by 2. How much became? 177 by 2 is equal to how much? 2 is 85.5. But here how much? No, 2 8 88.5. 88.5 or 88. So approximately, but experimentally 88. So another he had given chlorine, bromine, iodine. See, chlorine 35.5 and this is 127. So what is the middle element? This is one triad. So 35.5 plus 127 by 2. How much coming? 177. That is 35 plus 1, that is 162.5 by 2. Usually how much coming? 2 8 81.25. But here how much? 80, so approximately equal. Okay, these are the triads done by Dauvergne. But one thing, some problem is there. What is this some demerits? What are the demerits? See why it is rejected? Rejected is that first rejection that first all the known elements could not be arranged in form of triads. All the elements cannot be arranged. Second, in the same group, this law was not satisfied. This law is not obeyed, not satisfied. So, an example I am telling, this is one group. So, chlorine, bromine, iodine, one triad. So, before is chlorine. So, it is a one group. So, you calculate. So, you make this is one triad. So, 19 plus bromine, how much? 80 by 2. How much coming? 99 by 2. How much coming? So, 2 4 is 8. 19, 2 9 is 8. 49.5. But how much given? Chlorine 35.5. Therefore, it is not obeyed. In a group, this law is not obeyed. Therefore, it is rejected. Okay, let's come to another scientist, Newlands. He also tried. So that is called Newlands law of octave. So what happened? He arranged elements in increasing order of atomic weights. So what is the law? When elements are arranged by increasing of atomic masses or atomic weights, the properties of every eighth element was the repetition of the properties of the first element. Actually, what happened? You see, so when he arranged, arranged the 8 elements, 7 like this. The music sa re ga ma pa dha ni. Again, sa coming. So he arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what happened? So arrange the elements like this serially up to 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next element will come to the same property of the first element according to the musical instrument sa re ga ma pa dha ni. Again what coming sa. So like this arrange the elements. First lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. But again what coming neon, but at that time noble gas not discovered. So again come sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. So these properties same, lithium, sodium, then potassium, calcium, the same properties. So what happened? This is the first element lithium. After 8th element again sodium, again coming sodium. So due to these the properties. So this is Newland's law of octane. But one thing he predicted the periodicity, the very important periodicity. What is periodicity? I told you what is the reoccurrence of similar elements after the regular intervals is called periodicity. So the regular intervals that the same elements are coming, same properties. Okay, this is Newland's octane. But upon some demerits are there. What are the demerit? First, when noble gas is discovered, there is no place. So discovery of noble gases, that this law is not applied. Another, discovery of heavy elements. When heavy elements discovered, so no place there. So it is difficult to arrange them. So therefore it is rejected. Then another scientist what came, Mendeleev. So Mendeleev also tried to arrange, to classify the elements. So first he make a law that is called Mendeleev's periodic law. He arranged the elements in order of the atomic weights. So what is the periodic law? Sometimes question is coming that state Mendeleev's periodic law. What do you write? The physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses or atomic weights. Okay, again I am telling what is Mendeleev's periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic weights. He arranged. So what happened? You see the Mendeleev's periodic table. See carefully how he made the periodic table. So this is Mendeleev's periodic table. So what happened? There are how many periods? There are 7 periods. 7 periods. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many columns? Groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. So all again there are subgroups are there. Every group divided to A, B, subgroups are there. So we arrange the elements like this. So here how many elements are arranged? 63 elements. So see the what is the merit point? All 63 elements are arranged. Okay, and what happened? The periodic properties are directly proportional to the atomic weights. He arranged in increasing of atomic weights. And also see the gaps are the gaps for undiscovered elements. So you see there are gaps. The gaps, what happened? For undiscovered elements he has given gaps. This is one merit point. Another, periodic properties of undiscovered elements. Those elements are not discovered, so we have made gaps to put there due to similar properties. So the proper periodic properties of undiscovered elements you can know from this known elements. Okay, now we'll come to the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. What are the demerits? So first demerit, grouping of dissimilar elements. See, like copper and silver. See, so what happened here? That is sodium, potassium, lithium, similar elements. They kept here. But copper and silver, they are dissimilar, but they have kept in group 1. So this is one demerit. So another, separation of similar elements like platinum and gold. See, they are similar elements, but they are kept here. Gold placed in group 1 and platinum here group 8. So this is one demerit. So another, isotopes. What is isotopes? You know, the same element having same atom number but different mass number. So like example, hydrogen H1, 1, 2, 1, 3. 3 isotopes. So same atom number, different mass number. So if same atom number, they have same chemical properties but have different mass number. So according to Mendeleev, mass number different, so they have to put in different places, but they have same chemical properties. So this is the demerit. So another, anomalous pair. See, cobalt and nickel. Cobalt and nickel. Here cobalt, here nickel place here. But Mendeleev arranged according to the increasing order of atomic weights. But cobalt has more atomic weight than nickel. So this one demerit. Another, position of hydrogen. Actually, position of hydrogen is not perfect. So that is, properties of hydrogen is similar to these alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium. rubidium. And also hydrogen also show similar properties to these halogens like chlorine, chlorine, bromine. So the hydrogen position of hydrogen is not perfect. So this one demerit. Okay. So these do some demerits. What happened? It is rejected. Mendel's periodic table is rejected. So after that, Henry Moseley classified some elements. That is Moseley's classification. So what happened? He arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic number. What happened? He found that atomic number is a better fundamental property of elements compared to atomic weight. Therefore, he arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic numbers. So that became modern periodic table. So he made one periodic table that made one periodic law, that is called modern periodic law. So what is modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. So again I am telling what is question coming state modern periodic law. What will write? The physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. So this is modern periodic law. Okay, next we will read the modern periodic table detailing in next video. Thank you.